plastic things, they just come out just like that. I have another one over here. Welcome again, welcome back to another episode of We Rebuild. Today what we have is we are going to work on the cabin air filter on this 2018 Audi S5. Never done it before. What I honestly want to say is it's probably the same thing as every car. You change it from the right side of the car under the dash, under that side. Has to be. That's the only way I know it. So I'm probably gonna do this for the first time. Don't know what I might run into. So we're just gonna hop straight into the video. Anyways, don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share it to your friends, your family, and guess what? Even the haters as well, because they love us too. They can't help it. But don't want to talk too long. Make sure you turn that post notifications on. Make sure you click that bell icon to see what's going on, and make sure everything is on and you check out every single other social media link so that you could get an update on whatever we're doing here on the channel. Okay? Let's not waste no more time. Let's hop straight and do this cabin air filter. Let's go. So what I'm gonna do is get my light so we can have some light underneath the dash, and this will basically tell us, tell us what we need, and this is gonna probably just, you know, help us so we can see what's going on. All right, I got the light right there. I'm gonna bring you guys closer so y'all can see what's going on, and we do this thing real quick. All right, so more than likely it looks like it probably be under here. Oh, this filter, I got it off FCP Euro. So there's a little, I would say there's a little manual or whatever it tells you. So this, it shows you like, hey, it's under the dash on the right side, and I want to say move that little plastic piece, that should be this piece right here. There is two little plastic things, they just come out just like that. I have another one over here. Pull that out, and I want to say this just comes out. Yep, and this comes out. All right, so now that we got that piece out, more than likely this is normally what holds the filter in. Looks like there's a clip, but normally these things are held on by screws. So maybe whoever had the car before got this changed before. Oh, it looks like there's one screw that holds it. Hold on. Can't get this last side out. All right, finally got it out. As y'all can see, it looks like there's bugs and all of that, or whatever is inside of it already. All right, so that's the cabin air filter for y'all. That's how y'all take it out, and all we're gonna do is put the other one in. Simple. All right, so now since we take out this one out of the bag, we're gonna put it in the car. Basically the same way how we took it out. I want to say this is the way the airflow points. So I would assume that, you know, the air comes in the car, so it basically flows inside. So I want to say it points inside of the car. I could be wrong, but hold on, let me check this real quick and then go back. But I'll basically, because from what the other one filter, the colored side was on this side, and then the gray side was pointing inwards. So that should be it, because the same way I took it out, the same way I basically I'm putting it back in. So let's go. So it basically should be going back into this groove right here, as y'all could see. So I'm gonna see if I could set y'all somewhere and then keep going where y'all could see and get it done. Alright, so we got it back in there, and the airflow is pointing towards the car, because basically the front should get all whatever impurities or whatever is coming inside of the car and stops it, and basically this blue side should basically keep the clean air coming inside of the car. Now the only problem that I have is, now that that is in, the only problem that I think I would have is that this looks like someone had changed it before, and it looks like there are 4 screw holes. Now I don't know what size those screw holes are, but you already know we do have a whole bunch of extra screws. So what I might do is just look for 1 or 2 extra screws that I have laying around and see if I could use those to just put in the hole. So yeah, I found 4. So I'm gonna put these 4 for 1 right here, 1 right here, 1 right there, and 1 right there. So that's 4, and put it in, and then we just put that piece back in, and then those little 2 clips, and that should be it. And that is a quick way to change it. So that's basically what you have to do. So I could put you guys in a quick time lapse and do that real quick. Let's go. Alright, so we have the 4 screws in. Now we just need to put this foam piece back over, and basically what I'm gonna do is just push it back into its groove and just push this piece out, so you know you could put that little pin in and then do the other side. And then you see that little spot right there. If many of y'all known or seen, I'm kind of like upside down inside of the car. That's 1, and this is 2 right here, and that is done. Alright, as y'all see, I have to take my jacket off because it's starting to get warm, to how much I have to like move down in it. So this, as you can see, it doesn't really look too bad, but it has a whole bunch of dust on it, but there's a stain in the back. So this is out. Now we have the new one in there, and that is how you do it. I want to say we did probably take longer than 5 or 10 minutes because we had to find 4 new screws, but apart from that, that was probably simple. It's not too hard, not too tedious, and I mean, we did it in a quick time. So that is a way how to change them on the 2018 Audi S5 B9 or B9.5 to all the way to 2025, because it's basically the same design. Nothing really much has changed except maybe features and a couple other things. But anyways, thank y'all for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. What's the next thing? Don't forget to share this video with your friends, your family, and guess what? You always gotta send something to the haters because they just love what we do. Don't forget to just check us out on all social media links. Make sure your bell notification is on so you get every alert when we drop a new video, YouTube short, and even a live. And you can see all posting a little bit more so you can get to know what's going on the channel while I post. But anyways, thank y'all for watching this video. Don't forget, we Rebuildz. Hey, and just remember, stay positive, stay motivated, and guess what? We are out.